Welcome to myprojectbuzzer.com. Let us see the project title, Plant Healthcare System using Android application. We have taken to the chili plant. The Android application work to the capturing the image leaf or image photos, then the processing to the work of the healthcare to the plant images. Presently the chemical are applied to the plant. We have checking to the process, but we have don't know about the result of the process. We have simultaneous to the research people and the work field allocated work field man integrating the project to have detecting the plant health for the simultaneous of the year and the duration and the temperatures and the land people. These techniques we have performed to the chili plant. We have taken to the chili plant images and the capturing or already predefined images. Then will be put into the enhancement. The enhancement only identifies the leaf interior part. Then we have detection part. We have collected the lot of the chili plant images and symptoms will be collected. The collected information we have integrated into the cloud computing. So we have the cloud basis we have used into the WAM server. Then the WAM server we have receiving the everything for the symptoms to the work field man. Then we have the result analysis. The result analysis we have taken the fertilizers and lot of things we have using. We have temperature wise and the season wise and the year wise and the area wise, so soil type wise. We have this way we have checking to the result. The result is showing to everything for a graph basis. It will be generating for the static graph. If needed to the dynamic analysis, we have derivative to computation for the WAM server or cloud computing. This data details will be help of the man people and the research people to identification of the list of the problem on the season time and the temperature time. So we have the chili plant images detecting the according to the chemical correlation applied. With the result of the analysis, we have easily matching to the comparison of the result. Let us see the flow of the diagram. Mention the diagram. So the user the plant data. So segmentation process we have using to the segmentation for chili plant images. The symptom analysis. The symptom will be captured for the what are the symptoms to the man user or man field worker. So collecting the information to the symptom details to collector. Then the databases will be received. The database only for the verification process. It will be the globally communicate for the integration. The verifications we have using. The agriculture professor or research people, so we have derived to the getting the information for the verifier. The result of the plant we have generating to the lot of the step-by-step types. The system analysis we have using to the so weather condition and the crop level and the fertilizer and the area wise and the state wise. We have the soil type wise. We have the simulation calculation basis. We have the plant solution to the solution. We have accurate 90% of solution will be accurate because the user capturing the plant real-time plant and the system identification for real-time will be connecting to the databases. User details and the agriculture professor or researcher people in the same application we have applied because of the integration databases to apply for the user and the agriculture professors. The agriculture professors we have analyzing some result basis we have analyzing. The result we have taken to the rule basis. The rules are applied to the fertilizing and the crop state and the crop field value and the temperatures and the season time and the duration of the year. This symptoms basis we have the agriculture provided to the user plant symptoms we have recognized to the result. The result analysis to the rain we have the crop details without we have telling to the graph. The graph will be the static graph. In case you need to the solution of the dynamic flow, we have added to the databases. It will be taken to the simultaneous for the statics. So this is the solution to the agriculture basis. Let us see the demo of the project. This is the first page of the Android. This application we have this is a emulator part. We have the plant and research people analysis. If we click to the plant, we have capturing or gallery images and the capturing camera. The camera capture to the camera real time lively capture the images and the segmentation part will be ready. In case you have predefined images, just to go to the gallery. I will bring to the two images. Check the images. the images will be including for this one. We have the segmentation process. It's segmentation we have used in the pre-processing step, just analysis to the segmentation. It will be the cropping for the leaf basis. So it will be the plant will be removing the RGB values and thickness of the plant. So we have clamping the plant leaves, everything. Then the enhanced work we have. The enhanced we have the latency work. The latency will be identification of the enlarging of the images. It will be simultaneous. This is the part we have recognizes to the plant enhanced details. It will be faulting for the leaves. Just the symptoms is needed, just to collect the symptoms. So I have the chili red on the January durations and the red soil and the 55% of temperatures for the plant. The symptoms would be the red color leaf. It will be 1 week we have preparing. This is the symptom collections. It will be the symptoms. It will be click the URL predict to the databases. It will be added to the databases. Then we have checking to the result port. Result port mainly we have analyzing to the crop seed phases. So the drip it's containing the more details. So rainly and canal. I click the rainly. So the iteration type, the iteration 3 types the same as the drip or rainly. Iteration is a drip. So the field size I have mentioned to the 50 size for the field. So click the OK. Next we have the soil type. The soil is a red soil. It contains the red lamini block soil, red black mixture. I click the red soil and the fertilized is naturals or artificials. I have using the artificials. We have clicking to the artificials. OK. As the state is the Tamil Nadu and the district is Coimbatore and the regions which area we have regulations. I will click to the RS from. In case you change into the manually to the data string values for this area to your areas, so it will be click OK. The season for January, click the years, mixing according to this current years. The solutions we have getting to the research people analyzing for the plant and the soil type. It will be getting result 2015. Okay, the temperature is 55. I mentioned. Then click OK. Then will be show for the graph regions. It will the feeds with the rain characters, the crop regions for the field. It will be ratio analysis to the graph. The graph using the chart regions work. It will be the rain and the chart feeds work. Analyzing to this ratio. We have using the 3 type of charts. The charts will be repeating to analyzing ratio starting for 200 ratios, then will be ending for this month to the 0 for the raining status. It will be analyzing result from the chart graphics. Then click the research peoples is search information for the chili plant. So database is get the information. So the chili 55% January, last updated for the chili range it is 55 temperatures. It will be active to the January. So it information is researchable for easily identification to the work field of the man or user details. This is the plant and researcher people easily identification for the chili plant basis. It's a plant healthcare system with using for Android application. Thank you.